Okay. Very good morning, student. Sit down everyone. So, as you are being now in 10th standard, right? So, it's a challenge for you to proceed to your next step. So, in this your first class will start with the introduction, like chemistry you are studying from your 7-8 standard, right? All basic things also there which you have been learned, still you are learning. You are learning about elements, you are learning about compounds, you are learning about matters. Okay. So, now in presence you are in 10th standard. The first thing, obviously when we are being, like so many contents are there in chemistry in your 10th standard subject, like you are having acid, base and salt, you will be learning metals and non-metals, you will be knowing about the periodic table. Periodic table means where you will find out all the metals, non-metals and metalloids. But before that, when I am learning metals, how come this metals, what are metals? So, like you have been taught, is only one particular substance. Now, what is this substance? What does this substance consider? So, ma'am, like we are having here like metals like magnesium, we are having metals like calcium, we are having metals like sodium. But when it come about to know about that particular elements, we get confused. Like sodium, okay, tell me its atomic number. So, somehow we get confused because exactly we do not know what is the serially it has been arranged. Like we will start about learning about acid. Like suppose I give you name one acid, you are just thinking, but suddenly by knowing you said, ma'am, it is HCl. Now, how this HCl is made? Only simply you are writing HCl? No. It means there is some way to write that particular HCl, how HCls are combining. Okay. For that you have to learn about the particular, like we go for chemical reactions and equations they are saying, but how come these equations are being formed? By element itself, right? So, like in previous classes I have made you learn about the elements whose having atomic number of 1 to 20 regarding their valency. So, apart of that there are more elements are there, there are more ionic compounds are there which having symbol as well as which having their own formation. Like simply 1 to 20, so you have learned 1 to 20 what are the atomic elements are there according to the atomic number. A part of that there are some ionic compounds are there which are helpful for making formulae. Okay. So, some of it, like first of all I think I have made you learn about, you know about iron, Fe, right? You know about copper, Cu. Okay. It comes when you go for more than 20. So, copper is also coming, zinc is also coming, lead is also coming, but these are having some variable valency. It not like that, like now like sodium, what is the valency of sodium? 1. So, it is 1 only, no other variable valency is for sodium. But when we talk about copper, when we talk about this copper having variable valency, that is cuprous and cupric. Okay, cuprous and cupric. Cuprous, when we talk about cuprous formation, the variable valency is 2 and cupric is having 3. It means what? Copper have that capacity, that tendency to share electrons of 2 and 3. Is that clear? Got it? So, copper you can write copper having variable valency, that is cupric and cuprous. Note it out. Cuprous, that is 2, and cupric, that is 3. Clear? Got it? What I said? Okay, this is for copper. These are some, you have to remember, some of the elements are there which is having their variable valency. Is that clear to you? Okay. After copper you are having iron. What is the symbol of iron? That is Fe. Okay. Iron also considered as ferrous and ferric. Got it? So, ferrous also same. Ferrous having 2, ferric having 3. Got it? Ferrous 2, ferric 3. Clear? Okay. Now, according to iron, now copper, iron is clear to you? Okay. Then come your lead, that is Pb. Okay. Lead come, that is Pb. Pb is also having lead 2 oxide and lead 3 oxide. It does not come like plumbous and plumbic. ऐसे नहीं लिखा जाता है. It's not like that. If they will write in the questions, whether in copper, whether in iron, whether in lead, the formation, if they will write like this, lead 2 oxide, it means its valency is 2. Don't get confused in that कि 2 oxide क्या हो गया. 2 oxide mean they are giving you the valency of lead. Got it, Archita? Are you getting clear though? Okay. Then come lead 3 oxide. It means its valency is 3. So, lead, copper and iron. This part is clear to you? You don't have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Then comes, after this you are having, this is clear to you? Okay. Then come some ionic compounds. Some ionic compound means which we are using that compound to make formulae. Okay. So, let me learn about the ionic compound. Okay. It comes, first we will start with SO3, which we call sulfite. For example, a formula come hydrogen sulfite. Okay, hydrogen sulfite, right? So, sulfite what? It's having valency always 1. SO3 means it's having valency 1. What is the valency of hydrogen? 1. It means if we write about hydrogen sulfide 1 and here also 1. So, what will be? HSO3. So, this is itself a ionic compound, you have to remember. Sulfide means SO3, okay, and sulfide, that is IDE, that is also having valency 1, but its symbol is only S, like sulfur, sulfide. Questions if come hydrogen sulfide, sulfide IED matlab that is S, remember. Clear with this? If it's come sulfur also S, if it is come IDE also S. Clear? Then come sulfate, that is SO4. Sulfate, SO4. It is having valency 2. Is that clear to you? Got it? So, sulfite, sulfate. This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is okay for you. Now, suppose now I have given you some ionic compound, right? Now, some acid you have to remember also, because sometimes what happen, acid also combine in the equations. Like I am having magnesium chloride, for example I am telling you, like magnesium chloride, I am writing the formula, react with sulfuric acid. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. If you do not know the acid name, you cannot write what is sulfuric acid. So, these are all you have to remember. Clear? So, magnesium chloride, you know, ma'am to padhai hai, ma'am to taught me magnesium is Mg, chlorine is Cl, magnesium having valency 2, chlorine is 1, so formula will be MgCl2, right. But what about that sulfuric acid? You will be confused now. So, you should remember the common name of sulfuric acid, that is hydrogen sulfate, because you know what is the valency of sulfate, you know what is the valency of hydrogen. So, you can easily say hydrogens, are ma'am has said me sulfuric acid means hydrogen sulfate. So, you have to remember these all things also. So, H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Okay. You write this one, it is sulfuric acid. Clear? Got it? Next come, like H2SO4 we are having some more are there, like today we will go little simples ionic, slowly, because as you will be start making the formulae, okay, what will happen? You will be coming to know, the doubts will be also getting clear. But first of all, what it should be, the remembering should be there, that what are the compounds we are using it out, right. Like H2SO4 we are having HCl, okay, and the name of HCl is hydrochloric acid. Write down, hydrochloric acid. Clear? Hydrochloric acid, is it clear to you? Okay. And one more last acid is there, that is HNO3. HNO3. Actually, common name of HNO3 if we say, it is hydrogen nitrate. But in acidic form if we we call it nitric acid. Is that clear? So, now basic things are been clear to you. Name of the elements, that is by sequentially 1 to 20. Some of the ionic compound, simple ionic compound which I have given you. Okay. So, what you have to do now, suppose this, let me complete this one. It was MgCl2 with sulfuric acid. So, what it will be coming? MgSO4, that is magnesium sulfate, plus HCl. I have not balanced till yet, it is not balanced. You can identify. Why? Because here hydrogen is having 2, that hydrogen is having 1. So, if we add here 2, so because chlorine is also having 2 here, hydrogen is also having 2 here, simple if I put here 2 HCl, it is balanced. Got it? So, this I have just, because for balancing also the thing is that you have to know the types of reactions. This is the only the starting I said, elements are there, compounds are there, but balance come very for myself I am telling, I cannot start balance like that. First you have to know the types of reaction. Once you know the types of reaction means how the reactions combine. Like suppose I have made what you should have asked me, then why ma'am you said you can do HCl also first, HCl plus magnesium sulfate. Questions can become na, why you have written like this? It can't come, why not? Rules are there how to arrange the reactions and to write the equations. Okay, for that rules you have to study about the types of chemical reactions, because so many types of, today I am just going to give you the name. Okay, tomorrow we will go for one explanation of the types of reactions. Okay, you can note down it out. Types of chemical reactions. Okay, the first one is combination reactions. Okay, next one come decomposition reaction. Clear? Third one is displacement reaction, double displacement reactions. Okay, then come yours oxidation, reduction and redox. Is that clear? Got it? Understood? So, we are going, the next class we are going to elaborate with the types and with the equations. Clear to you? Okay student? Thank you to all. So, next class we will meet and we will know about the types of chemical reactions with examples. Okay? Thank you.